Hello and welcome to our Nanoleaf channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Nanoleaf control panel. Now the first thing that you can do is turn it on and off using the power button on the right. The next thing that you can do is toggle through your scenes. So you can do that by hitting the button on the left that's shaped kind of like an arrow. And the last thing that you can do is adjust the brightness by using that same button, except this time you want to hold it down for a bit longer. And now you see that we've gotten kind of a dimmer lighting. And we brightened it right back up. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you next time.